Good morning, welcome back to Life of Dave. Back over to permission. Let's see what we can find. So I come out for a few hours yesterday. Absolutely nothing. This ground is solid, but I'll sort of dig it back in to fix it if I make a hole. But the rest of the fields are all growing at the moment. They've all been fertilised and they're growing the hay, so I can't dig half the fields. The grass is too long. It's ridiculous. No way. Oh, my first target. I ain't even got to dig it. Look at that. We've got an old, what's that, 2-ringer? Yeah, there's a faint second line there. Old 2-ringer bonnet sitting on the surface. I ain't even got to dig it. Happy days. In the bag. Yeah, so I'm off a few of the fields at the moment. There is not much chance of digging them, so yeah, yesterday I come out complete trash fest. So I just thought I'd go over some of the spots that I've done already. A bit slowly, like, you know, just see if there's anything about that I've missed. Oh man. Got an 8 and 9 there. There's a bit of iron next to it. I'm assuming this sounds like an air gun pellet. Air rifle pellet, yeah. That's going to be deeper than that. So I want it out too early. Today, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. It's a lot cooler than yesterday, I'll tell you, that was roasting. It's out. Spade's too near, picking that up. So with that side. There. Yeah, come on, what are you? There it is. Yeah, air gun pellet. Thought so. So the ground's proper dry, but it's also crumbly up here, so I can squeeze the hole back in. Stomp it down a bit. And there we go. Where was I? And the only downside you've got of that is because you've loosened the ground, sometimes foxes, badgers and things like that will find that loosened ground and dig it out again. Well, there you go, it's an air gun pellet we'd missed. To be fair, I've probably heard it and just ignored it because I kind of knew what it was. Some of the signals that I get turn into nothing, so I don't bother digging them because I sort of recognise them. Or some of them it's just air gun pellets and they're everywhere. So I've sort of been going for the better signals really to start with, and I thought, well, we'll come back to the quiet ones another time, like, you know. Well, that's deep. Yeah, right, well. I'll do a couple of holes on camera to start with. I had a few yesterday actually that were saying they were really deep, and when I dug it out they weren't as deep as it said. I think it's because the ground's so dry. And this is what happens, look. Gone. Nothing. Oh, I think it's in that. Yeah. It is, it's in the clod, so I'm going to have to bust that up a bit. Gone again. I think the ground's so dry. It's in there. That's weird, isn't it? It was definitely there. And then the machine can't find it. Well, it ain't gone nowhere, is it? It's there. That's a tiny speck of something. See that? Got a twig. Like that. Let's get the pinpointer on it. Yeah, so it's not as deep as it said it was, as suspected. And I can't find it. Well, whatever it is, I can't see it. It's tiny. I'm suspecting it's a little tiny fragment of metal. Just a bit of crud. No, I can't see it. Did I move it? I did. Or whatever it is, I moved it. That. Okay, I found it. Tiny little shard of took there. Look. I've no doubt at all if I come across one it'll find a hammered, but I've just not found any yet. There's a couple of bits of that because I dug one there and then this one was showing up just over here, about a foot away. Well, I managed to find that one, but yeah, I'm suspecting the other one's exactly the same. It's just a tiny little shard. Might have been even smaller, which means my little eyes can't see it. But we got that one. So moving on, find another target. So this 6-inch core was fantastic. I'll be able to get in half these places without it. So there's a signal there, very faint, and it disappears the other way. I think I'll leave that one for now. long grass. Oh, something there. Could be shrapnel, that. It's quite a high tone, that one. Digging the edge of the field at the moment, which is all the brambles and everything are growing, trashy ground. Just had another signal a second ago. It was a dirty old vape, disposable. Stealing out. See something there. There you go. Ah, I've had one of these before, but this one looks old. I've had a lot of this old stuff. I don't know if it's a bit of an old folded up bucket or something, because it's got a rim round it there, look. I've had loads of this sort of stuff over in this corner. Copper alloy sort of mix, folded metal, but wherever it is, it's got some sort of rim on it. You know, I've had loads of this come up. Well, that looks really old. Oh, it's in the bag. Rings up like shrapnel. Iron. So there, I think that's a bit scratchy. I reckon that's can fodder. There's some iron near it as well. Could be another bit of that buckety stuff. It is, isn't it? But yeah. So have a chunk of that. Totally different number, same stuff, identical sort of shape almost, but a lot smaller. Rung up a lot lower. It's like a bit of a trashy area, but it's diggable. '40s to '90s, jumping up and down. That's iron. 85, 90. Probably another chunk of that buckety crud then. That's a root. What's that? There you go. Hey, look. Big chip. Big chip. Put my teeth in. Big bits. So this is what's confusing. It's got that rolled edge, but it's rolled inwards. I almost suspected it was like a bit of a mower blade guard or something, but I don't know. But there's loads of it. Absolutely loads of it I found over here. To the point I stopped digging over here once before because it was everywhere. I was just pulling up chunks of that. But I thought, well, let's get it all out. Something there, 70s, a couple of inches down. There's sounds like a few signals around here. It's a bit confusing, a bit loud on the ears. There you go. It's another chunk of that. There's an hole in that one. It's got to be part of some sort of bucket, isn't it? Surely. Before I fill that in, let's just have another wave over there. So we've got iron there. And something else. I think there's another chunk of that still in there. Higher up. So I'm getting multiple signals there. There it is. Have a couple of bits. See if there's any more in that. Iron there. Iron. Yeah, I think we got it. So even though this is the trash area, it's right in the edge of the field. It's not going to hurt anyone. I'm still filling my hole in. Not leaving any holes, any mess. Jeopardise my permission. Gives detectorists a bad name. What's something else there? What was that one? Sounds like another chunk. Yup, there it is. Another bit with hole in. Whatever this is, it's a lovely old patina on it. Don't show up on the camera as well. It's got that really dark browny green sort of hue to it. Alright, let's carry on. I'll turn the camera off in case, and I'll turn it back on if I find something different to that, I think. A load of junk so far. Something there, 75, 76. Public footpath runs along the side of this, so it could well be junk. Can or something. can or coin? What's that? Oh, it's a snail shell. Something there. Proper dry here, just in a little wooded area. Still in there. There it is. What's that? Junk. Battery or transformer or something. Yeah, looks like a transformer. I don't mean the robot type. Right, junk. It's the aluminium on it. Gives a good signal. That's all of it. That else there. Right, moving on, see what else is about. Well, we found naff all today so far, but check out this funnel web, look. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Look at that. He's literally built a little funnel going down there. You can see him on the camera. Mr. Spider is sitting just down there, look. That's a proper bit of engineering he's made there, look. I mean, this is in the UK, so I don't know if it's actually a funnel web or if he just happens to have built a web in the shape of a funnel. Don't show up on the camera, but it's huge and it goes right down into a little funnel at the bottom. Cool. Right, well, I am done and out of here. Just been talking with one of the ladies with the horses. So, but yeah, we've got angry bees on site. They are evil. So usually leave bees alone. They don't bother you if you don't bother them. Not these ones. One just buzzed round me head up the top of the field. I couldn't shake him off. I ran down the flaming hill to the bottom, a good couple of 100 metres. And I kept running and he was behind me the whole way, did not give up the chase. I got to the bottom of the field and I had to stand my ground. It was him or me. He was going round my head, round my ears and everything else, and in the end I managed to splat the little sucker. I wasn't getting stung again, so I took a life. Really sorry, Mr. B, but it was him or me and it weren't going to be me. So yeah, I am done for the day and I'm out of here. Catch you all next time. Thanks for watching Life of Dave. Bye for now.